Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Guys, finally, Samsung has launched their Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. This is the most awaited smartphone from a long time, and finally, on the September 10th, the Samsung company has launched their Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. So watch the video till the end for a detailed overview of this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. If you go into specifications of this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone, this smartphone comes with the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display with the 60 Hz screen refresh rate, and this smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 730G processor. This smartphone comes in the two variants. One is the 6GB RAM 128GB variant and the 8GB RAM 128GB variant. This smartphone has the 32 megapixel front selfie camera, and if you go into the rear camera of this smartphone, this smartphone has a quad camera. One is the 64 megapixel camera, 12 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel camera, and another 5 megapixel sensor. This smartphone has the massive 7000 mAh battery with the 25 watt fast charging support. Out of the box, this smartphone comes with the One UI and the Android 10 operating system. If you go into the pricing segment of this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone, the base variant, that is the 6GB RAM 128GB variant, is priced at 24,999 rupees, and the higher variant, that is the 8GB RAM 128GB variant, is priced at 26,999 rupees. Finally, my opinion on the Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone is that if you want to buy an Samsung mid-range smartphone, then you can consider this Samsung Galaxy M51. Otherwise, in this budget, we also have the Redmi K20 Pro, which has a better processor than this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. And again, one more important point to be noted is that the Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with this massive 7000 mAh battery. So the battery backup will be great in this Samsung Galaxy M51. But the Redmi K20 Pro has the Snapdragon 855 processor. So the gaming experience will be great in the Redmi K20 Pro, and the battery backup will be great in the Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. So what do you think about this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone? Comment in the comment box below. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's it for me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.